Welcome to the Alpha Omega Wine Club July 2026 wine tasting experience. Summertime in Napa Valley is defined by long, sun-drenched days and cool, foggy mornings as grapes gracefully mature. For Asian, the transformation that marks the color change of red grapes from green to red has begun, signaling that harvest is just around the corner. For our July Wine Club offering, we are featuring two of our limited production AVA series wines from the heralded 2023 vintage. From high in the Vaca Mountains at 1,400 feet, Atlas Peak Cabernet Sauvignon, and from the valley floor, just north of the town of Napa, Knoll District Cabernet Sauvignon. To get started, pour about 3 ounces of each wine into Bordeaux-style wine glasses. We're going to taste the Cabernet Sauvignon Knoll District first. Give the wine a good swirl and smell before you taste it. This wine has intriguing aromas of red plum and cassis, mixed with fig Newton and dark earth, along with rich flavors of black plum, raspberry, and cinnamon. Cabernet Sauvignon Knoll 2023 is comprised of 95% Cabernet Sauvignon and 5% Petit Verdot for additional structure. These grapes were fermented in 85% French oak barriques and 15% in stainless steel tanks. The wine was then aged for 18 months in 30% new French oak barriques. Recognized as the best farm in California in 1856, viticulturalist Joseph Osborne was among the first to plant Vitis vinifera varieties, including Cabernet Sauvignon, on his estate, which he called Knoll. Knoll is a broad valley floor appellation in southern Napa Valley that benefits from the cooling influence of nearby San Pablo Bay and the well-drained alluvial soils deposited by nearby Dry Creek. We're going to travel east from the Knoll District up into the Vaca Mountains, home of our second wine, Cabernet Sauvignon Atlas Peak 2023. This wine, you'll note ripe aromas of boysenberry and strawberry mixed with molasses, along with flavors of blackberry and cassis, accented by fresh ground pepper. Cabernet Sauvignon Atlas Peak 2023 is a blend of 78% Cabernet Sauvignon, 12% Merlot, 8% Malbec, and 2% Petit Verdot that comes from a rugged, rocky amphitheater in the southern Vaca Mountains where most vineyards are planted above 1,400 feet. Fermentation took place in 75% French oak barriques and 25% in stainless steel tanks. The wine was then aged for 18 months in 30% new French oak barriques. Atlas Peak is a compelling expression of Napa Valley's remarkable diversity that also benefits from the cooling influence of nearby San Pablo Bay. As we celebrate our 20th anniversary at Alpha Omega, thank you for being a part of our wine club family.